looks like, which coastal systems are active, what intelligence says about launch activity, what rules of engagement apply, and how long ships and aircraft can sustain the pace. A choke point crisis is therefore not solved by one dramatic deployment. It is managed through repetition, and repetition is what makes the mission expensive. That repetition creates a sustainability problem. Crews fatigue. Ships need maintenance. Aircraft need turnaround. Intercepts consume readiness even when they are tactically successful. If the route remains dangerous for long enough, then the mission starts